Abdullah.
Sir, I am a Muslim and I am an Indian, and I see no distinction between the two. I see no reason why I as a Muslim have to fear a deal between India and the United States of America. This is a deal between two countries. It is a deal between, we hope, two countries that in the future will be two equals. Sir, the enemies of Indian Muslims are not the Americans. The enemies of the Indian Muslims are not deals like this. The enemies of Indian Muslims are the same enemies that all the poor people of India face. Poverty, hunger, unemployment, lack of development, and the absence of a voice. It is that we are against. The effort that is made to crush our voice. Sir, I am not a member of the UPA. I am not a member of the UPA. I did not aspire membership of the UPA. But sir, I am extremely unhappy with the way in which my friends in the left have taken on the self-imposed position of being the certifiers of who is secular and who is not. Sir, until a few years ago, I was a part of this NDA. I was a minister with them, and these same left people considered me as a political untouchable. They considered me an outcast because I was a part of the NDA. Today these same left people are telling me all secular parties must unite with the BJP to bring down this government. Sir, I made the mistake of standing with them once on the question of Gujarat. I did not resign when my conscience told me to, and my conscience has still not forgiven me. I will not make the same mistake again. आपने अमरनाथ का आरोप लगाया. आप एक जगह दिखाइए जहाँ पे किसी कश्मीरी ने यात्रा के खिलाफ बात की हो. आप एक जगह दिखाइए जहाँ किसी कश्मीरी ने कहा हो कि हमें यात्री नहीं चाहिए. एक जगह दिखाइए जहाँ पे यात्रियों के ऊपर हमला हुआ हो. हमारी जमीन का मुद्दा था. हम अपनी जमीन के लिए लड़े और मन के दम तक अपनी जमीन के लिए लड़ेंगे. लेकिन हम आपकी तरह फिरका परस्त नहीं है. हम आपकी तरह कम्युनल नहीं है. हम मस्जिद नहीं गिराते. हम मंदिर भी नहीं गिराते. 100 साल से ज्यादा अमरनाथ की यात्रा वहां चलती आई, और जब तक कश्मीर में मुसलमान हैं, श्रीनगर और अमरनाथ में आपकी यात्रा चलती रहेगी. लेकिन ये बात मैं दावे से कहना चाहता हूं कि इन लोगों की तरह मेरी सियासत बदलती नहीं है. आज इस तरफ, कल उस तरफ. हमने सेक्युलर फोर्सेस के साथ हाथ मिलाया है और मिलाते रहेंगे. Jammu Kashmir National Conference will vote to support